Hello guys, so I have something interesting for review today. It's for inflating, deflating, it's for inflating tires. Let's open the box. So this is basically a thing to pop the tire on the rim. So when you blow the air like really quick, so it sets the tires on the rim, and you can put the air down. So it's like a for the house, for the shop. I'm using it for the truck. Okay, here we go. Get our nice packaging out. Here you go. It's like a bazooka. Oh, let's have some fun too. Okay, let's take the all nice wrapping out. Here you go, here you go. Anything else? Okay, so this is what we got. And this one goes right here. Taking the wrench. Okay, looks good. So basically you put the against your tire, you push the button and the air just shoots right there. This is the safety. For example, you need to drain your water, or if it's too much air. So this one is up to, what is it, 20 bar, or yes, 20 bar. I think it's like up to 100 psi or something like that. Yeah. So maximum pressure 1.0 MPa, recommended operation pressure 0.6 to 0.8. Bunch of caution. Okay, what I got here also. Okay, have a also manual of how to use it. Okay, what we got? So it's a handle. So this one is for your air inlet. I got this one off my truck, but if you have a at the house or at the shop, it's just basically plug and play. So it goes right here, but first we need to put a Teflon tape. So you're getting the Teflon tape, you're putting around it. Oop, the other way. I'm keep forgetting which way to go. I don't know if there is a way to learn it or something. To me it takes a couple of times to find out which way to go. So Teflon tape. Screw it in. Let's get the wrench. just like so. So basically you plug your hose right here, and then there is a valve to let the air inside or outside, so it's one of those ways to in or out. And you see the gauge. Let's install the last piece. I think it's probably which way better to put it on. Okay, bolt inside the handle, and nut goes right here. Same thing is on the other side. And then you're tying it up. Just like so. Okay, so this is what we got. You're pressing the valve right here, just blew the air out. So I need this thing to be right here, so to do something about this situation here. So it needs to be like that. So I should probably put some Teflon tape. I don't think so it's even necessary, but I think the best bet to put you know, those Loctite liquid thingy. So you can set wherever you wanna set. Same thing. Okay, I guess I just leave it just like that. Okay. Ugh. Almost there. Okay. Here we go. Let's go ahead and put the tire on the rim and use it. Okay guys, so it's gonna be just a little bit loud. I'm getting the air from truck. Getting your hose. So this is open, this is closed. Okay, and let's look at the bar right here. Let me bring you closer. Right here. So let's go ahead and okay, so this is gonna be enough. Let's get the hose out and you hold here, and you push the button right here. Let's set the we need also the air. So, giving your this thing, you push it right against kind of. Woo! Whoops! Press it by accident. Let's go ahead and put it again. Okay, we're good. The air. Put it right against and push the button. And we're good to go. So it will pump the air. Let's check it out this thing. So it's just easy, just press the button. This was how easy it was to assemble it. Put this thing here, put the handle, put the air, and we're good to go. Just push the button. Small but very powerful. Yeah, let's put in a truck and use it when it's needed.